Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something truly special, a phone that promises to outlast your longest days and survive your biggest mishaps. We're taking a deep dive into the brand new Honor X70. Honor has officially unleashed the X70 in China, a smartphone that redefines expectations for mid-range devices with its unprecedented 8,300 mAh silicon carbon battery and a suite of extreme durability features. The Honor X70 is set to make waves with its remarkable longevity and rugged build. The standout feature of the Honor X70 is undoubtedly its 8,300 mAh silicon carbon battery, a capacity that dwarfs most smartphones on the market. Honor asserts this isn't just a big number. The battery is engineered for 6 years of daily use without significant degradation. For users tired of constant recharging, the X70 promises to be a game changer, offering up to 2 full days of moderate use, and even once every 2 days for heavy use, based on early reports. To complement this massive power reserve, the X70 supports 80-watt wired supercharged fast charging across all models. For those seeking the ultimate convenience, the top-tier 512GB variant uniquely boasts 80-watt wireless fast charging, a premium feature rarely seen in its segment. Beyond its battery prowess, the Honor X70 is a fortress of a phone. It comes with an impressive trifecta of IP66, IP68, and IP69K ratings for dust and water resistance, meaning it can withstand everything from high-pressure water jets and boiling water immersion to salt spray. But the durability doesn't stop there. Honor has integrated a bulletproof vest, internal structure, and aerospace-grade non-Newtonian fluid cushioning material, enabling the device to pass drop tests from heights up to 2.5 meters. This robust construction, combined with its specialized aluminosilicate glass protection, makes the X70 an ideal choice for adventurous users or those prone to accidental drops. Under the hood, the phone is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 chipset with Adreno 810 GPU. While it's a mid-range processor, it offers improved performance over its predecessor, ensuring smooth multitasking and adequate handling of most modern games. The X70 comes with up to 12GB of RAM and up to 512GB of internal storage, running on the latest Magic OS 9.0 based on Android 15. The Honor X70 features a stunning 6.79-inch, 1.5K, 2640 by 1200 pixels AMOLED display, delivering vibrant colors and sharp details. With a smooth 120Hz refresh rate and an extraordinary peak brightness of 6,000 nits, content consumption is a treat, even in bright sunlight. Eye comfort is prioritized with 3 to 840Hz high-frequency PWM dimming. For photography, the Honor X70 sports a 50-megapixel main rear camera with OIS, optical image stabilization, and f1.88 aperture, capable of 4K video recording. The front features an 8-megapixel selfie camera. While it might not have the versatility of multi-lens flagship setups, the primary sensor with OIS should deliver good results in various conditions. Other notable features include an in-display fingerprint sensor, infrared sensor, dual stereo speakers with Histon 7.3 sound, and 5G connectivity. The phone is available in 4 appealing colors: Cinnabar Red, Bamboo Green, Moon White, and Midnight Black, all encased in a design that, despite the large battery, maintains a relatively slim profile, 7.7mm to 7.9mm thick, and weighs under 200 grams. Other notable features include an infrared sensor, NFC, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.3. Overall, the Honor X70 is a really compelling mid-range smartphone. If you prioritize battery life and durability above all else, this phone should definitely be on your radar. It's a true powerhouse that can handle whatever your day throws at it. What do you think of the Honor X70? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our future content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.